Hi everyone, my name is Casey, and my question that I am eager to know is, why do I always cough when I eat ice cream? So I think it's important that I found a universal definition of coughing, why your body coughs. So according to healthline.com, coughing is the standard way of clearing your throat, and it's the airway's reaction to unclogging any kind of mucus or foreign particles in the airway, and it's an overall attempt to make breathing easier. So my next step was to figure out why ice cream is associated with these. So according to references.com, ice cream is a known irritation to the human airway. It says that the most leading cause is probably due to the fact that the temperature of your throat, which is 98 whatever, is so different to the ice cream temperature that your throat and your airway almost like go into shock. It's as if you were to jump into a really cold pool and you kind of lose your breath and your muscles kind of tighten up. It's kind of the same thing with the ice cream entering your airway, is that it kind of goes into shock and tightens, and it causes your body to cough and try and get rid of the cold substance. It says that certain foods may irritate those with asthma more. So for me, I'm not asthmatic, but people with asthma, it can actually trigger, the temperature itself can trigger an attack as if you're not able to breathe because of the temperature difference. And it also said that, like spicy food, ice cream and cold food can trigger like a reflux reaction. So meaning that your stomach acids don't agree with it and your body's trying to like get rid of it. So the acids in your stomach are kind of coming up, almost like heartburn. Then the next source that I looked at was vitalhealth.com, and it says that coughing, as associated with drinking and eating, is your body's way of like trying to get rid of what's coming in. So it's offered 6 reasons as to why you may cough when you eat ice cream. The first reason was allergies. As many of you know, allergies can range from mild to very severe and life-threatening. So your body may start to tighten its throat because it is something that your body is allergic to. And if your throat starts to close, then you will cough to try and alleviate the reaction and try and get rid of the particle that's causing the reaction. The next reason is GERD, which is gastroesophageal reflux disease. Basically, this is also kind of like going back to the stomach acid thing. It's that you kind of have like a reflux reaction, meaning that once the particles enter your stomach, it doesn't agree with the acids and it kind of like tries to send it back up, causing heartburn, coughing, and sometimes like chest and throat pain. The next reason could possibly be bronchospasms, and that's the tightening of the throat muscles. So like I said, when the ice cream enters your airway and your esophagus, it's not ready or not used to that cold temperature, so it causes everything to tighten up really quick and try and get rid of it because it is so cold and it's such a big change. As I mentioned before, another reason could be you're asthmatic, meaning that the temperature of the cold food or the spicy food can actually trigger your body to think it's having a reaction. So, your throat tenses up because, you think you can't breathe, and it causes you to cough. And there's 2 more. And then one of them could also be the hardening of mucus in the throat. So when you eat cold things, some people have like an increase in like saliva, and some people actually have like phlegm that they cough up, and that's basically just the mucus like clumping and hardening from the temperature entering your throat. And the last one, which for me isn't the case, it says that there could possibly be an infection in your throat, and that your body's creating like mucus and saliva to prevent this cold substance and food to go into your infection. But I don't think that's the case for me. I don't have any infections. But I feel like this is pretty cool because I didn't really associate like coughing and other people coughing with ice cream. So I think it was really cool that I got to research this, and maybe other people like will watch this video and be like, oh my god, that happens to me too. So all right everyone, I look forward to seeing your videos.